Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube's free auto dubbing feature that lets you reach global audiences with multilingual and multi-track audio. Let's get started. So, why is this feature so powerful? Imagine your English video automatically dubbed in Spanish, Hindi, or French. It helps you connect with a much wider audience without extra effort. Now, before you rush to enable it, note that YouTube is still rolling this out. Right now, only larger channels may see the option, but it's slowly becoming available to more creators. Here's the first way to check. Go to YouTube Studio, then head to the bottom left corner and click Settings. From there, choose Upload Defaults, then Advanced Settings. If your channel has access, you'll see an option called Allow Auto Dubbing. You can also find it when you're uploading a video. Just click Create, then Upload Video. During the upload setup, you may see an auto dubbing option among the advanced settings. By default, it's usually turned on if available. Good news, you can also apply auto dubbing to videos you've already uploaded. Just open a video in YouTube Studio, click Show More, and look for the auto dubbing option under Advanced Settings. Toggle it on or off depending on your needs. Remember, this feature is still experimental and not yet widely available, but once it's fully rolled out, it's going to be a game changer for creators looking to grow globally. And that's how you use YouTube's free auto dubbing feature to add multilingual audio tracks to your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other YouTube tips.